After spending for 15 minutes in their jeep, we reached the mountains with my friend and I got out of the car, found prepared of listing of equipment that we had to take it. Most of us carried groceries, blankets, and two of us carried the cat. I was so excited about starting this journey because that was the first time I hiked off the mountain. There's a friend named Randy. He was a person who was experienced in the mountain climbing. Some way ahead after climbed mountain in the many provinces in Indonesia. In the day we depended on them. We started climbing at 19 am together with my friend. I passed the forest and coffee plantation during mountain climbing, and hours later, some instructed us to stop. We